My name is Stanley. I'm a farmer in Maragua Ridge, that is Maragua County, Upper Tana. My farm, like other farms in Maragua Ridge, are well drained. There's no flooding. The drainage is good. But as a result of that kind of drainage, there has been a lot of runoff, soil erosion, leaving the farms not fertile. And for that, Upper Tana came and helped us so much in reclaiming and stopping the erosion by introducing water pans, which after harvesting the rainwater or stormwater reduced the rate of erosion. And number two, terraces. Upper Tana provided us with agricultural officers, technical officers, and the terraces were maintained, which also curbed the erosion. That improved the farming, productivity came up, and this has been a benefit to the farmers as a result of Upper Tana intervention. This area is semi-arid, and being semi-arid, you could plant crops, and then even before they are fully grown for harvest, the rain goes away and they dry up. We could not grow avocados here because of, one, there was no enough rain. But with the introduction of the water conservation and the particular water harvesting technology, we planted avocados. When there was no rain, we maintained the avocados with the stored water, and they matured. And today, we are proud to say that we have sold avocado fruits. Now we plant avocados without fear of climate, and we shall go full scale. Before Upper Tana came, the landscape here in Maragua Ridge, you could see miles and miles of the landscape. There were no trees, because the trees that used to grow are the indigenous trees, which grow in dry areas, which barely go beyond 5 meters high. But on coming of Upper Tana, they provided us with the seedlings, Graveria robusta seedlings, which did so well that today it is green and green and green, without Graveria robusta and with the avocado trees. Maragua Ridge before Upper Tana, Maragua Ridge after Upper Tana are two different landscapes. My parting shot is, water is never enough, and it will never be enough. We want to continue conserving water for our use today, tomorrow, and the future.